Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the 100,000 subscribers dimension. That's right, guys. Hopefully, we will get to meet up with all 100,000 subscribers, shake all their hands, and tell them thank you, and tell them just how much we enjoy them, guys. And you know what? Hopefully we can hit 1,000,000 subscribers someday, guys. Because I know usually 100,000 turns into 1,000,000, and then that turns into a sheep. Yeah, no lies, guys. What you're going to need is 10 blocks of iron. You want to place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need fur black wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your blocks of iron. Then you just want to go jump on up and then place 1, 2, 3 blocks of iron. And then 1 black wool on top. Now you want to go ahead and jump on down. Ow, that hurt. And then you want to place 3 blocks of iron on this side, then 2 blocks of iron in the middle, and then 1 black wool on the edge, and boom, you are finished. Now you can jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Wow, that looks amazing. Now you just want to go ahead, like this baby up, hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button because I know you love these kind of videos. And now you just want to go ahead and head on into this dimension. Hopefully it will load up quick, guys, and we won't be seniors by the time it loads up. Hopefully, guys, hopefully. Whoa, that was quick, guys. Wow, that loaded up real quick. And oh my god, do you see that cow up there? Wow, where's the 100,000 subscribers? Is it that pig? Did he subscribe to us 100,000 times? No way! No way, guys! Oh my god! It's the 100,000 subscribers plaque! Wow, guys, and that looks legit! Oh my god, but where's my name? Why didn't they put my name on this, guys? I really want my name on this. What do you think about it, pig? Do you like it? What? He's walking away. He thinks we can do 1,000,000. Wow, I cannot believe that, pig. I cannot believe that. Wow, he's just so rude, guys. He's just so rude, and he don't like to acknowledge, you know, my accomplishments or anything, do you? Wow, he's really rude to me, guys. But wow, that does look absolutely amazing, guys. That looks so amazing. That would make me want to subscribe if I hadn't already subscribed. And also leave a thumbs up, guys, and a comment. Let me know if you guys have any ideas of how this play button could get better. I think it could get better if they actually put some TNT around it, guys, and, you know, made the button TNT as well. That would be pretty cool, guys. Like, if they actually made that button TNT and then made the whole frame TNT, I'm actually about to give you guys, you know, a little view of what it would look like if the whole frame was TNT, guys, because I think that would look pretty cool if it was, guys. Hopefully they're watching this video, and then maybe they'll make the play buttons TNT. That would be pretty epic. But let's go ahead and just put the TNT all the way down through her, guys. We're going to go ahead and make this whole frame TNT. That's right, guys. We're going to make this whole frame TNT. And when you think about it, this is actually a pretty big play button, guys. Especially considering that we're only 2 blocks tall. And this play button's like 50 blocks tall. So hopefully we don't die. Whoa, guys. There for a minute I thought I was a goner. That was pretty crazy, guys. But let's go ahead and boot this up. I don't know if we're going to have enough TNT to actually finish this whole frame. Let's go ahead and jump on down. And wow, guys. Just go ahead. Are you ready for this, pig? Wow, look at that. We was only 3 blocks off from finishing the whole frame, and you didn't help us with any of that, pig. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? But I'm going to go ahead and blow it up now, guys, so you guys can see what it looks like when it explodes. Boom! Wow, that was amazing, guys. And oh my god, the play button still stands. Wow, the play button is actually still standing, guys. That play button must be indestructible or something, guys. No way, guys, no way. I gotta wonder if a real play button could withstand that. What do you think, pig? You don't want to try it out? You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just nudge him into the fire, guys. Boom, take that, pig. Boom, take that. Oh my god, he's on fire. Look at him, he's running, he's screaming. Oh my god, he's on fire. Wow, oh my god, that's what you get. That's what you get for not hitting the thumbs up button every single time. What? He survived. Oh my god, he actually survived. Wow, maybe you did hit the thumbs up button. Let's go ahead and high five each other. Boom, take that. He died. Wow. Well, at least we got some good perk chops now, guys. But wow, look at that play button, guys. That was absolutely amazing. How similar it actually looked to the real play button, guys. Like that was absolutely crazy how similar it looked. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next, guys. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.